Let's go back to our position. My setup, simple setup of course, bolster in front of the chair, and the entry point is from the side. I'll do it from the back so you can see it much easier, and I want you to please observe first, because I know some of you have fear in going into this. Okay, so I enter from the side here, so you can see my back. Okay, then I'm going to raise my left knee, right knee, so the frame of the chair is holding my knee creases. Then I'm going to use my hands. Okay, so I'm going to hold my hands here onto the seat. I slide my buttocks to the back of this chair, hold the frame of the chair, bring the lower back onto the frame, onto the seat, and slide the buttocks to the edge of the seat, all the way to the edge of the seat. That means my shoulder blades are onto the edge of my seat, and therefore I don't need really a lot of balance here because my knees are gripping the frame of the chair. I'm going to start lowering down. Now I take the right hand and thread it in between the legs, left hand, and hold the rear legs. Once I do so, then I start lowering my head towards the bolster, and then slide my head off the bolster, bring the shoulders onto the bolster. Once the shoulders are on the bolster, then lift the legs towards the ceiling, the lower back is supported. In order to come out, very importantly, I'm going to lower my knee creases onto the frame, release my hands, and I slide away from the chair, not towards the chair. So I'm going to wiggle myself out, wiggle until my shoulders and head are on the floor and my buttocks come onto the bolster. Once the buttocks come onto the bolster, I'll be able to lift my legs towards the ceiling, my shoulders on the floor, very safe position to be in. I bend the knees and then roll over to the right hand side, press the palm, lift up, and come back to seated. It is smooth. If you get a kind of anxiety or a panic sort of situation, then slide away and lie down on the floor, not do anything, and when you feel comfortable, you'll raise and come up. Because everyone reacts differently when we go into shoulder stand. So safety first, you simply roll away, wiggle yourself out, and just lie down on the floor until you're ready to come out.